Hey folks, it's Eddie for Watch Before You Buy, and in this video we are going to talk about Tranya T30 Wireless Earbuds. Today is the 1st November 2022 and the price of the earbuds is $40 US. They come in black color only. This is how the box looks like, and in the box you will get the earbuds with the charging case, user manual, USB Type-C charging cable. The length of the cable is 6.69 inch or 17 centimeters. And you'll also get some extra earbuds silicone tips. This is how the case looks like, and these are the dimensions of it. Here in the bottom we have a Type-C USB charging port. There is also a small light which indicates the battery status. If it's red, it means that the battery level is between 0 and 21%. If it's yellow, the battery level is in between 21 and 70%, and if it's green, the level is in between 71 and 100%. According to the documentation, before you take them out, charge them first. You should charge them for at least about 1 hour. If you didn't do that and you took them out, don't worry. If they are charged, they will work fine. If they don't work, put them back in the case and charge it for 2 hours. To connect them to your smartphone is super simple. All you need to do is to go to the Bluetooth and tap on pair new device, then open the case and take the earbuds out of the case. Once you do that, you will see Tranya T30 in the Bluetooth list. Tap on it and that's pretty much it. Now, once you take them out, you can of course close the case. The length of the earbud is about 1.45 inch, which is 37 millimeters. The weight of the earbud is 4 grams, and the weight of both earbuds with the case is about 42 grams. This is how they look like. At the bottom we have 2 charging pins. On the side is the noise cancelling microphone. At the top we have the main microphone, and here we have a light indicator for the battery level. And of course, the speaker. When it comes to the comfort, I have to say they are super comfortable. You can definitely go running with them, and unlike some other earbuds, these ones do not fall out when I eat. Now let's talk about the controls. Here in this area you have a touch sensitive sensor, so you can tap once to play or pause the track. This works with both earbuds. To change the track, you will tap 3 times on the right earbud, and to go back, tap 3 times on the left earbud. To increase the sound volume, you can tap 2 times on the right earbud, and to reduce it, tap 2 times on the left earbud. If someone is calling you, you can answer the call by tapping 1 time on any of the earbuds. To reject the call, tap and hold for 1 second on any of the earbuds. If no one is calling, by tapping and holding for 1 second, you will start the voice assistant. By pressing and holding on any of the earbuds for 4 seconds, you will go to game mode. And you can turn it off the same way. Game mode will give you ultra low latency, but it will cost you battery. If you press and hold for 5 seconds, this will turn on the bass boost mode. You can turn it off the same way. By pressing and holding on both earbuds in the same time for 4 seconds, you can turn them off, which will transfer the sound to the phone. To transfer the sound back to the earbuds, press and hold for 4 seconds again. When you put them into the case and close it, it will turn them off automatically. When it comes to the battery level, according to the documentation, each earbud will last for about 8 hours, and the charging case will give you about 40 hours. The earbuds are also water resistant, so you can use them in any weather. When it comes to the connectivity, these earbuds are using 5.1 Bluetooth connection, which is quite noticeable as the connection delay is quite small. When it comes to the sound volume, the earbud can produce a maximum of 82 decibels. And with this, I'm pretty much done with Tranya T30 earbuds review. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It really means a lot. If I skipped something important or you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box below. Have a nice day and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.